Minasan, konnichiwa. Today we will study the particle de in Minano Nihongo. Okay? The use of particle de is the transportation or vehicles. De, for example, taxi de uchi kairimasu. Okay, next is tools or means. For example, fax de shiryu o okurimasu. Okay, next language de, for example, Nihongo de repoto o kakimasu ka. Okay? And then ekide, place where you done or occur your eto verb. For example, ekide shimbun o kaimasu. Okay? Next, place de paren kyoto de umatsuri ga arimasu. For example, kay in, no? For example, in 1 year, for example, ichinen de natsu ga ichiban suki desu. Okay? Next is particle to. To is in English is am. Okay? For example, watashi wa kazoku to nihon e kimashita. Okay? Next, Sato. Sato-san wa, kaibisitsu de bucho to, no, from anashite imasu, talking to, so bucho. To ang gamit po nating particle. Okay po? And doyobi to nichiyobi desu. No, yasumi wa. So the holiday is Saturday and Sunday. Okay? And then next po, phenomenon. So, ashita, ame ga furu to omoimasu. Okay? And then, iko to iimashita. Okay? Iko to, verb dictionary form po, and then particle to. Okay? The use of particle ya. Ya in English is and. For example, ako no nakani, for itegami ya, shasin ga arimasu. Ya for and for the arimasu. Okay?